John, it's good to see you again. And, this is probably a dumb question. I'm famous for those. But, I've heard you referred to as a tax, consultant.
Sure.
Or just tax planning.
Yeah.
Any difference?
Yeah, so I think a tax consultant, right, kind of encompasses tax planning. So tax planning is one of the things that we do when you come in and have a return prepared by Polito Consulting. Part of that package is going to be tax planning.
Okay.
So when we start talking, let's say somebody who's getting ready to retire, maybe they're looking at how much should they start pulling out of retirement, should they start converting from a traditional to a Roth, things along those lines. That's part of tax planning. So we'll run those numbers to make sure that they're comfortable not only with the amounts, but what the tax impacts may be with those amounts.
Because there's strategies or where they can take it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep. And so similarly with an entity or a business, right? Oftentimes you'll get preparers who you'll give them a set of financials, a balance sheet, an income statement. They'll prepare the return. They'll hand it back and say, see you next year.
I'm not doing any thinking. I'm just doing the mathematics.
That's it. I'm plugging in the number. It's data entry.
Yeah.
And so what we'll do is we'll take it a step further. We'll take a look and say, well, what's going on inside of the entity? What type of entity? Do we want retirement plans? Do we want health insurance paid out through the entity? Do we want a company car, right? How do we want to go about this? Are there things that we can do to kind of help mitigate or eliminate some of the additional revenue that we have to try to kind of become either more tax efficient or just to, get us into a position where overall we're paying less tax, right? So instead of just kind of mindlessly plugging the data or doing data entry, there's a planning component.
Just strategizing all the stuff, And I know you know a lot. You've been doing this for a while, and
Yes.
this guy reels out like forms and things that need to be done that leave my mind boggled.
It's a really cool party trick. You can see
Yeah,
immediately
sure is.
eyes just glaze over every time. 100% success rate.
Yeah. Well, until it's time for tax season, and then
Yes.
folks love it.
I'm their favorite for about 2 months.
Yeah,
Right? February
sure.
15th to April 15th. Outside of that, it's
That's your Santa Claus
That's
time.
right.
So there you have it. But the takeaway here is like just need some tax help
yes.
and planning too. And you really want to plan. You always want to plan.
Proactive is better than reactive.
Yeah.
Yeah, because ultimately, right, we get into many situations where somebody will make a decision. They don't include their accountant. They pull money out from somewhere thinking it's not taxable. April 15th comes around, there's a surprise. Surprises are typically very bad words in the accounting industry, right? So
Gets you into trouble.
eliminating those surprises, making sure that we're all on the same page, that we can proactively get to where we want to get to. It's a beautiful thing.
So here, I'll end with this, so if you want to end any of the surprises, it's easy. Just give this guy a call. This is John.
Yeah, that's right.
And you have your phone with you.
I do, always.
And he actually gives out his cell phone number, don't you?
I do, yes.
Probably doesn't make your wife happy,
It
but
does not.
it makes your clients very happy.
Yes. PolitoConsulting.com.